as news. For the beginning, let's all go to a famous restaurant where Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, and Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. But don't worry, a good cook could cook as many cookies as a good cook who could cookies, so dear and hungry dear. Meanwhile, at the London Zoo, 1-1 was a racehorse, 2-2 was 1-2, 1-1 won one race, 2-2 won 1-2. A tidy tiger tied a tiger tie to tidy her tiny tail. However, if you notice this notice, you will notice that this notice is not worth noticing. All I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper cup of coffee pot. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow at 7.
Hello, today we want to hear young people. What they like, what they don't like, and what they want to be when they grow up. Hello, what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Mona. I'm Laura. We are 12.
Oh, okay. What do you want to be when they grow up?
Well, I'd like to be an actress. I am so good at acting and I really like it.
Do you like watching movies at your free time?
Oh yes, of course.
Thank you very much. And what about your friend over there?
Well, I actually want to be a YouTuber, even though being an influencer is
Oh, can I guess you enjoy watching TikTok videos?
well, they're fine, not really my style. The dance tutorials are actually pretty good though.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, can you tell us your name, please?
Okay, Mark.
How are you, Martha?
Okay.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know really.
Well, do you like watching TikTok?
I don't know. It's okay.
Do you like reading books?
Well, they are okay.
Thank you very much. Okay. Today we hear young people. Some of them know and some don't know what they want to be when they grow up, but that is okay. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.
Faster, faster.
Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our show, It's Never Too Late for Love. My name is Laura. That's enough for me. We are here for these three amazing and gorgeous, magnificent men. They may not be young, but they are never too old for love. And Veljko, Dimitar, and Vukman, could you please tell us something about yourself, Vukman?
Thank you, Lara. Good evening to all of you. I don't drink alcohol, I don't smoke, I don't eat meat, only vegetables. And I like butterflies.
Well, that seems awfully secure and healthy. Oh well. Veljko, could you please tell us something about yourself?
Well, I like everything. Meat, butterflies, crocodiles, dancing, singing, chess, and boxing.
Wow, what a combination.
Oh, and what is your combination then?
Young forever. Watch your back, Coley. First you warm up your body. Don't you worry about me. I go jogging every day.
And do any of you boys have any messages for your future lives?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Let's go feed the pigeon, just me and you.
Healthy mind and a healthy body. Just no stress.
Alright, what amazing messages we have for you, my ladies. If you want to get to know any of these magnificent men, just call us. And remember, it's never too late for love.
Hello and welcome to our show. We hope that you will have fun with us. My name is Petra. And my name is Lena. So let's start. We have two teams, ninjas and ballerinas. No, you mean we have two teams, ninjas and ballerinas.
Indra and I love chocolate ice cream. I enjoy watching films in the evenings.
Hello, I'm Joanna and I like science fiction books.
Hi, my name is Luca and I'm very happy to be in your quiz.
Hi, my name is Nemanja. I adore winning.
Thank you. For the beginning, we have a challenge for you. ABC challenge. Say the English alphabet as fast as you can. Are you ready? Ninjas, go!
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Can you do it better, ballerinas? Ready, steady, go!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Congratulations for both teams. You are great. Now let's start with the quiz. Guess the job. Just watch carefully. I went. No, don't hurry. Take your time.
A doctor.
Great. 5 points for the ninjas. Thank you. You're welcome. I know. A police officer.
My dad's a police officer.
Correct.